Welcome back. Another Pokemon pack opening. Freaking fantastic. White flaring it up. Hoping to get that black and white Rashawn. Or that guy. That one. Yeah. Open. I already know I'm gonna mess this up. Screw it. I should pay attention next time. Put this up in the front. Alright, steel. No, that's not steel. That's cool dark energy or something like that. Shelmet. Panseer. Dino. Woobat. Ferrothorn. Oh, actually, Ferrothorn is like Fortress, but different. I don't even know how to say that. It's a lot of gubba-dubba-doo. Sock. Kung Fu Chicken. Hey, look at that. I got that same card that Tornadus. And then Pure Lion. And then a Cafigurus. Cafargir. However you say that. Heck yeah, like, comment, and subscribe to do more. Yeah!